Hello everyone. If you want to permanently hide or remove sensitive information from a PDF, Adobe Acrobat made it easy with the Redact tool. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer, and when you land on the home page, you have two options. You can either move the cursor towards the Create option given at the top left corner, then tap on Create a PDF to create a new file, or click on Open Files to open the PDF file within the PC. But if you want to open your prior project, you can just go to the Recent section and tap on the project that you want. Once the PDF opens, you will see different options within the All Tools section at the left screen. Make sure to move the cursors towards the Redact or PDF option given within the All Tools section. Then tap on it. It is important to note that the Redact features requires an Adobe Acrobat Pro subscription, so it is not available in the free reader version. As for me, I have not subscribed yet, so it shows the subscription page. But if you have already subscribed, and when you tap on the Redact or PDF, this opens the redaction toolbar. To redact text, you can just click on Mark for Redaction, then select the text and images. Now highlight the text or the area that you want to hide. You will see it got colored overlay. You can also search and redact if you want to remove the specific word or phrases throughout the PDF automatically. Once you have marked all the information that you want to redact, click Apply. Then the Acrobat will permanently remove the selected content from the PDF. Then finally save your PDF by clicking on File, then Save As or Save. And after that, make sure to choose a file name if you want to keep the original version. And that's it. That's how you can safely redact sensitive information in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.